Hi, you gonna beg? Speak? Roll over. Roll over. Stick your tongue out, please. Your tongue, it's in your mouth. It's the thing that you keep behind your teeth. Could I have it like just on show for a minute? Blah. Please. Oh, there we go.
It just felt like I had tape on it or something. Ah.
Right. Tongue out there. Tongue back. Can you put your tongue away? Does it want to go away? Introduce yourself. Tanya. Hi, Tanya. How long have you been modelling? Tongue release. Okay. Picture that place now and let yourself feel like you're drifting even further asleep. You're being very sceptical.
I know, I just can't wait to get hypnotized.
Tanya's asleep.
So, what are we gonna do? Once we're done?
Cushion between us, like a sort of like a purity. You okay there?
Yeah.
Get something in your throat.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
I'm sorry.
That's fine.
I don't know what's going on right now.
I'm not sure what's going on.
Oh.
Maybe it's that you're going to go to sleep. When I say 3, 2, 1, sleep, down you go. And your eyes flicker because your unconscious mind is taking over, dropping you deeper, making you feel enchanted and calm. Every second and breath and sensation just makes you feel more blank and dazed and mindless. Peaceful and thoughtless and empty. Stop thinking and sleep down deep. Find your arms bound where they are. Are you ticklish, by the way?
Yes.
Are you? You're very ticklish.
Oh God.
Do you mind if I just give you a little bit of a stroke? It's the lightest little stroke. Oh. Ankles bound, legs bound. Sleep.
Please.
There.
Yeah, no, I don't like it.
You don't like it? Alright, the safe word is coconut. See, I think you're fine with this.
No.
Your butt is bound.
Oh,
There we go.
no.
There we go. That's good. Yeah. And sleep. Deep breath in, dropping all the way down, floppy and limp, deeper and deeper and deeper. Now what you find is you really love being tickled. You want to be tickled, but you don't feel anything at all, which is disappointing because you really want to be tickled in 3, 2, 1. Wide awake. What should we do next?
I really like to get tickled.
You.
Yeah, I'm very ticklish.
Try to put your hands up there. Hair out of your armpit. Would you like a little bit of a tickle?
Oh my God, isn't ticklish?
Tickle. I thought you were really ticklish.
I am.
I thought you were really ticklish.
I am.
Well, you're clearly not. I thought you wanted
I can
to be
still
tickled.
feel it.
Yes.
Why isn't that tickling me?
I don't know.
That's actually really
Yeah.
bizarre.
You're right then.
Yeah.
What's up with your arms? You're not comfortable there. What's that? You're having a nice time.
Yeah.
Are you a good girl? You're a very good girl. Oh, good. Can you say hello? My name is Tanya. Oh dear. Tanya. Puppy dog. Who's a good girl? Who tickles? Oh yes. Who can do tricks? Go round. Go round. Go round. I play that. Oh, good girl. Tickle. Tickle. Oh yes. Come here. There's a good girl. Hi. You gonna beg? Speak. Roll over. Roll over. Play dead. Oh. Do you like head pat, 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 pat. Okay, let's just get that hair out of your face. There we go. And come to your senses, 3, 2, 1, release. Yeah.
Hi.
And fully remember what you're doing, 3, 2, 1 now. Yeah, alright. Wake. Stand to attention for me, please. Become stiff, completely rigid, completely locked in place. So any aspect of you just find your whole body coming with it because you're just stiffening up. Thank you. Yes. And you're posable like a doll now, like a mannequin. I can move you, and once you're moved, you remain locked in position, fixed in place.
Yeah.
Good tea?
Oh, it's so good. Oh.
You're a big fan of tea?
Yeah. I love tea.
Mm-hmm.
This is the most amazing different feeling.
Are you feeling better being out of your restricted top now?
What? I can't hear you.
This...
Whee!
You can't... Look, Tanya.
Ow!
You're meant to be a lady. Act like a
No,
lady.
I'm not a lady.
You're a lady.
No, I'm not a
You've
lady.
got to behave yourself.
Don't be stupid.
Don't be stupid.
Don't be so stupid.
You came into this thinking it wouldn't work.
I did, and I felt that I would be wanting it to work that much that I would be fighting it, and I was a little bit at the beginning. The tickling, but I think those two and the holding it in position. That was in my head. Like obviously I was there, but it was like, yo, I could like stay here for a long time. Some things I think are more receptive than other. But no, I loved it. It's actually really a weird sensation. You just gotta be total calm and relax with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
I did as well. Thank you very
Cool.
much for coming. Give us a wave. I'll see you again.
Bye.